Hi, my name is Martin, and today I will demonstrate how an example sales invoice process may look like. Just to remind you, Navigator is an ECM class system that allows to convert almost every document to a paperless form. Thanks to its very broad business intelligence and artificial intelligence functionalities, you can easily collect, analyze, and automate data flow across the company. For the needs of today's presentation, I'm using an environment called Fructon. It's a company based on a beverage company. All the data, all the documents used for this presentation is fake. It was prepared just for the needs of this presentation. Okay, let's go to the system. On the left-hand side, we see applications. Today, we'll be working in the context of documents application. So I'm clicking the documents application. Now I will collapse the menu, and we'll be working in this node here, sales documents, specifically sales invoices. Okay, let's see what the form looks like. The form is already prepared. It's an usual form consisting of groups, also allowing to enter items. We also have assignment tab. That means that we can assign certain numbers to account, department, so later on we could analyze those numbers. We also have a workflow tab that says what is the stage, what is the step that the document is at, and also what was the history of a workflow, also the permissions and comments. Okay, now let's have a look what the process looks like. We have a procedure called sales invoice workflow, and it looks like this. So the first step, we have registration. Then there is an interesting step because we are generating a printout based on a Word template. Once the printout is generated, an operator can check if everything is okay, and after that the document goes to substantiative control. After that we have a formal control, and at the end, depending on the value on a field how to deliver a document, there are two ways of delivery. First is electronic by email, and the second is traditional, a paper form. So once the electronic way is selected, the system sends an email containing that invoice automatically. Okay, let's see how it works. Or maybe before that, let's quickly check how this step here is defined. There's another tutorial explaining how to generate, how to design a workflow that consists this Word template printout. So I recommend to you watching that video. Right now I'm just going to have a quick look how it's designed. So we have an action which is called print word, and we have parameters for that action, and this is how the parameters are set here. And also we have an email sending action, and also we have the parameters as you see. So user ID, account to sales invoice as a subject, content is a content of a menu, and also the attachment is the printout of an invoice. All right, let's see how it looks. I'll finish configuration now. we'll go to the document tree and we'll add our first invoice. So first I need to select a client. Let's say it would be Turbo Juice. And as you see, the electronic delivery way is a default value. I can check that, I can change that to paper. Obviously, you may design your form however you want. This is the specific field I put on here because I'm going to need the value of that field to proceed with my process. Okay, once I click the electronic, you can see that if a paper is checked, the below value, the below field is not visible. But when I check electronic, I need to fill the number, not the number, but the value of my email. And also it is collected from the company's form. You can see that there is an email here. For the purpose of this workflow, I will change that email to my email. All right, because I would like to show you how this email is received. All right, just a payment. I will add some items, maybe 2 items. First is apple juice. All right, and the second would be orange juice. 100 and 200, let's say. All right, so my document is ready. I save that. And we have a process that is executed now. And look, this is the diagram that we just went through. This time the first figure is yellow. That means that the first activity is being executed. So after I click generate printout, the printout is generated upon a Word, based on a Word template. Look, I have this template here, files. This is the template, sales invoice, and it's just a simple Word document containing special fields, and these fields have to be addressed to the certain fields on a form, and that's the end of the story. So it's very simple to design that kind of printout. All right, so I have this document printed out. Now I need to check whether everything is okay. Printout okay, submit for approval. And as you see, there is a substantiative control, and this substantiative control is done by an owner. So again, I am the owner, so I will click approve. I'm clicking approve. Let's have a quick look at the diagram again. Okay, generating printout, printout check. We are here in the yellow box. So once I click that, approve, the document goes to Bethany Pratt. It's probably our accountant. And once she approves this document in terms of formal things, it would be sent by email. Okay, let's check this out. I'm not going to log as Bethany Pratt. I'm just going to enter a replacement. So Pratt would be replaced by Zoe. Okay, and I'll click that by Bethany. Okay, I click approve, and let's see what happened. We have this sending to client activity actually executed because it's executed automatically. And let's see what I got on my email. Okay, maybe it's better to show it to you here. Sorry, my email is in Polish, but I'll just, okay. Let's see. This is the, okay, this is the email, good morning, as we defined in that process. And we have an attachment, exactly our invoice. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial. I strongly recommend to you watching our other videos from document management section and also of other sections covered by Navigator. Thank you very much.